This tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop notifications on Trading212 app. So if you're receiving a lot of notifications from this app, then it means that you allowed notifications to go through on your app. Now it is simple. If you don't want to be distracted by these notifications, the best thing to do is to go ahead and turn them off. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to achieve this, we need to access the info page of Trading212 app, and there are two ways to do it. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. In the first method, go ahead and look for settings. And through settings, we need to access the info page of this app. To do that, go ahead and look for apps. And we have apps here. Then under this, look for the option called manage apps. And then this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now go through your apps until you find Trading212. Alternatively, you can just search it here under search app. And here it is, Trading212. And now you can see we are on info page. Now, if this is a long process, then let me show you the shortcut. Now, the shortest method is to access the app. And once you are on the app here, just go ahead and long press on it. And then you'll also be able to see here app info. Go ahead and tap on app info. And from this, you will also be able to access the app info page. Now from this, scroll down until you see the notification section. Now, if you look at notifications, you can see it is turned to yes, and this is why you are receiving a lot of notifications from this app. Now, to turn them off, just go ahead and tap on these notifications, and then you can see we have quite a number of notifications that are available here. Now, to turn all of them off, go ahead and turn off or toggle off this option called show notification. As you can see, it is currently toggled on. If I go ahead and toggle it off, now you see we have turned off all the other notifications. From here on, you'll never again receive any notifications from Trading212 app. So that's how we turn off notifications from Trading212 app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.